So far, we've only created graphs that use the default left and bottom axes. However, IGOR is capable of using the right and top axes as well as additional free axes on all sides. In this tutorial, we will show you how to make a graph with a free x-axis. Choose the Windows New Graph menu item. If you see a button labeled More Choices, click it. This gives us the more complex form of the dialog so that we can create the graph in one step. From the Y waves list, pick Spiral Y, and from the X waves list, pick Spiral X. Then click the Add button. The selections are inserted into the lower list in the center of the dialog. From the Y waves list, again pick Spiral Y, and from the X wave list, pick Calculated. Choose New from the Axis pop-up menu under the X wave list and enter B2 in the name box. Then click OK. Note the command box at the bottom of the dialog. It contains two commands, a display command corresponding to the initial selections that we added to the lower list, and an append to graph command corresponding to the current selections in the Y waves list and X wave lists. Click the Do It button. Your graph should now look like this. The interior axis is called a free axis because it can be moved relative to the plot rectangle. We will be moving it outside of the plot area, but first we need to make room by adjusting the plot area margins. Position the cursor over the bottom axis until the cursor changes shape. This cursor indicates that you are over an edge of the plot area rectangle and that you can drag the edge to adjust the margin. Click, hold the mouse down, and drag the margin up about 2 centimeters. Then release the mouse button. Now, drag the interior axis down into the margin space that you just created. Finally, resize the graph until the spiral is nearly circular. Your graph should now look like this.